You can make easy money online as a virtual assistant. There are a lot of virtual assistant jobs that can pay you thousands of dollars every month on the internet. These virtual assistant jobs are available on freelance websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Freelancer.com. So these freelance websites that I just mentioned have many virtual assistant jobs that can pay you thousands of dollars every month. So you need to hurry up now and register with those freelance websites and start making money. But before we continue this video, please permit me to explain who a virtual assistant is. A virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who specializes in offering administrative services to clients from a remote location. Typical tasks of a virtual assistant include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, making travel arrangements, and managing email accounts. So these are the typical jobs that a virtual assistant can perform. So right now, please follow this step-by-step guide to start making money online as a virtual assistant. Step 1. Choose the services that you want to provide as a virtual assistant. There are several services that a virtual assistant can provide. For you to become a successful virtual assistant online, you need to offer services that are in high demand in the marketplace. Examples of virtual assistant services that are in high demand today are email management, calendar management, customer service, accounting and bookkeeping, billing and social media management, and arrangement of calendar schedule. So these are the virtual assistant services that are in high demand today. So please conduct a market research and choose the best virtual assistant services to offer. Once you have chosen the virtual assistant services to offer, make sure that you learn everything about those services that you want to offer as a virtual assistant. Step 2. Develop your virtual assistant skills. You need to develop the necessary virtual assistant skills that you need for your business. You need to become an expert in virtual assistant so that you can compete for jobs as virtual assistant in the marketplace. If you are an amateur virtual assistant, you will find it difficult to get jobs online because employers are only looking for virtual assistants who are good at their job. So make sure that you learn and develop the necessary skills that you need as a virtual assistant before searching for jobs. Step 3. Buy the necessary equipment that you need as a virtual assistant. You need to buy the necessary equipment that you need as a virtual assistant. Examples of equipment that you need as a virtual assistant are laptop or desktop computer, internet connection, mobile phone, landline phone, printer, scanner, and an email account. Step 4. Create a website for your virtual assistant business. Create a website and list all the services that you want to provide as a virtual assistant on your website. Remember to fix the prices for your services on your website. Also remember to provide your contact details and email address on your website. Step 5. Start looking for jobs. After creating your personal website as a virtual assistant, you need to start looking for jobs immediately. You can easily find virtual assistant jobs on freelance websites such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and PeoplePerHour.com. So there are a lot of virtual assistant jobs listed on these freelance websites that I just mentioned right now. And most of these jobs pay thousands of dollars every day. So sign up now with these freelance websites and start applying for those virtual assistant jobs. Step 6: promote your virtual assistant business on social media. Create social media pages for your virtual assistant business on all social media platforms. Examples of social media platforms that you can advertise your virtual assistant business are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Create and write great profiles and biographies on your social media page. Also provide your contact details on your social media page. Make sure that you are very active on social media every day. So try to use social media to your advantage for your virtual assistant business. Social media is very important for your virtual assistant business. So make sure that you follow these steps that I just provided for you to start a successful virtual assistant business today. So that's all for today. Please, if you have any questions, please ask me on the comment section. Ask me any questions that you have on the comment section so that I can answer them immediately. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you can get the latest information about online businesses. Also remember to like and share this video to your friends and families so that they can also learn how to make money online. Please share this video so that this video can go viral. Also remember to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money easily online. Goodbye. See you next time on my video.